Hey, I'm just going to go through the basics of adding a new custom flow sheet. So just to make sure we're on the same page, the flow sheets that display under measurements here, like this diabetes flow sheet, that are triggered when you make the diagnosis of, say, 250, like in this case. So let's go look. So we'll go to the min panel, scroll all the way to the bottom. I'm using 12.1. So we scroll to the bottom. We're going to go. This is where we go create new flow sheet, but we're going to go to manage flow sheets. Here's where you can see all the flow sheets that exist in your system, just in case you weren't aware of them. And here's the DX triggers that the IC9 codes that trigger the flow sheets. And you can see the diabetes flow sheet was 250. So here, ignore this. This is just where you can upload a custom flow sheet. It's a little bit more advanced, so we're just gonna talk about the basics on creating new flow sheets. So let's go create that new flow sheet. So you're giving it a name that's going to appear, like the other one was diabetes flow sheet, and that's the name that displayed under measurements and also displayed at the top of the flow sheet. That's the name you put in there. Here will be the trigger. We're just going to use this. But if you know, like, it's not going to be a diabetes flow sheet or something else you're putting in, you will have to put ICD-9 colon and whatever the code is. For the colors, we're just going to stick with the basics. And then we're going to create it. Now we've created our flow sheet. Now it's a blank flow sheet, so we have to add something to it. So we're going to add A1C. We're going to put a name on it. We'll leave the other stuff blank. Now we've added something to our flow sheet. And so let's go take a look at this flow sheet. Since we have a patient here with diagnosis already with diabetes, we should see it. So here's our custom flow sheet. So here's our custom flow sheet, and that's simply how you create a flow sheet. Then if you want to continue to edit and add new measurements, you could do so by either adding them in the first place and add all of them, like I did when I added this one, or you go in here and edit this. If you don't see it, it's because you need to add a property called spec3 to your property file. And that's it.